Indian flavor. So, Mr. Kumar, since you're in your dealings like this, I thought you'd like that we have a robust procedure. This is our statement. You'll be doing your own, of course. At 5:30 p.m. on the 3rd of November, in Joggers Park, Bandra.
Mumbai.
Yes, thank you, Ross. Following a verbal altercation, Anushka Kumar, 11, armed with a stick, struck our son Anubhav Ghosh in the face. This action resulted in, apart from a swelling of the upper lip, injury to 2 incisors and damage to the nerve in the right.
Armed?
Oh, you don't like arms? What shall we say, Raji? Furnished, equipped? Furnished with a stick, all right?
Furnished with a stick. Thank you.
Varnished with a stick.
I always thought of Joggers Park as a safe haven for youngsters. Wonder what causes all this. Wonder! क्या कर रहे? तुम्हारे guests हैं? अंदर जाओ. So anyway, so glad that you could make it. You know how these so-called meetings are. Completely inappropriate, with both sides defending their children, and no consensus is reached.
Oh, I'm really looking forward to this consensus.
We should be thanking you, see. We really should. Oh, I don't see as any thanks are necessary. Fortunately, there is still such a thing as the art of coexistence. Is there not?
Which the children seem to have not mastered, at least not ours.
Yes, not ours. So, what will happen to the tooth with the affected nerve? They are being cautious about the prognosis. Apparently, the nerve has not been completely exposed.
Only a bit of it has been exposed. They're trying to give the tooth a chance. It would be best to avoid endodontic surgery.
Whatever happens, you cannot have implants before you're 18.
No.
Permanent implants cannot be fitted until you've finished growing. Whatever happens, I hope everything works out. Haven't we?
Yes.
Are those lilies? They look gorgeous. It's that little florist shop.
The shop's called Little Florist.
Yes, it's by Vivekananda Road. They come every morning, fresh from Thailand. 10,000 for a bunch of 50. Really? Yes. By Vivekananda Road. You know, he didn't want to identify Anushka.
No, he didn't. Hard to believe ki how hatta even girls are nowadays.
Impresses. Face disfigured. Teeth missing. Still refusing to talk. But Anushka is not usually so rough. That's it.
Anubhav didn't want to identify her for the fear of looking like some chichora in front of his friends. We have to be honest with him. He couldn't tell his friends a girl beat him up.
See, look at his face.
So, how did this happen? What caused Anushka to?
I believe she wanted to play cricket with the boys. She was sidelined and called a chip color.
It means frog, no, indeed.
No, Amlu, it means lizard. Lizard faced in this context.
Girls always get angry at that, right?
So how did you, what I'm asking is, how did you find out that it was Anushka? Well, we explained to him that he wasn't helping this child by shielding her.
He said to him, if this child thinks she can go on hitting people without any remorse for action, why should she stop?
We said if we were this child's parents, we would definitely want to be told. Absolutely.
Hello. Kunal, yes, thanks for calling me back. Right, yeah, it's in today's Times of India. I'll read it out to you. According to a paper published in the Outlook, two researchers from what's this place called? Am I pronouncing it right? Tirumalai Samudram, Tamil Nadu have revealed the neurological side effects of Antril, a hypersensitive beta blocker manufactured by a pharma company. Side effects range from hearing loss to ataxia. Kunal, what's all this? Okay. Who's your media watchdog? You know, it's a very bad time to appear, very bad time indeed. I'm worried about the ASM, Kunal. The annual stockholders meeting is 2 weeks from now. Okay, talk to PR, find out if this news has been picked up anywhere else. Call me back, okay?
So you are
A lawyer.
What about you?
Myself, I have a wholesale company. And Anuradha, she's a writer and works part-time at a sculpture and history bookshop. She paints also.
A writer and a painter. That's very impressive, see? What can I say? I contributed to a study of ethnic minorities in Jammu, the whole Kashmir issue. It's coming up this January. You're writing a book too? very interested in that part of India. So do you have any other children? Anubhav has a 9-year-old sister, Anita, who's furious at her father because recently he got rid of her pet rabbit.
But who has a rabbit in the house?
Got rid of a rabbit now?
Yes, that rabbit was making holes in my juto. Ate away costly genuine leather.
Leather?
Arey Baba shoes. Only दिन थे के I was thinking to get rid of it. At last got opportunity and left it on the footpath. Thought they were nalas and gutters. But no, it just sat there, paralysis. They are not home animal, not jungle animal. They are like washerman's dog.
Washerman's
Amnu
dog?
dhobi ka kutta na ghar ka na ghat.
He left it there and tried to convince Anita that it had run. Of course she was in fun. So what field are you? I am in wildlife. Is it at all? Forgive me for putting the question so bluntly. Is it at all possible that Anushka might apologize to Anubhav?
Let them talk it out.
Sorry, but is she sorry?
Mrs. Ghosh.
Call me Anubhav. First name basis would really help.
Sure, Anuradha, if that helps. See, my child understands the consequences of her actions.
And that too, a girl beating a boy up. Oh, very funny, very funny.
As I was saying, Anuji, she's just 11 years old.
Well, that is not a baby.
It's not an adult either. We haven't offered you anything yet. Cha, Shorbot, Onu, Kal ke Rasgulla che. Phata phati Rasgulla, ha? Phata phati Rasgulla.
I wouldn't mind some chai, thank you.
Just some water.
So, what business are you in, Mr. Rajdeep?
I sell decorative hardware. Locks, doorknobs, toilet fittings.
There's good money in this?
Himandi, Allah, you should not.
No. It is fine. Well, my job is not an ATM, but it was difficult at first. As long as I promote my samples, I earn money. But cast iron pans are bonanza in festival season.
I don't know who put the Rasgulla in the tea. Rhoda puts everything in the tea. I'm so sorry, Mr. Ford. I tried to warn you. What's Anushka said to you? Sugar.
No thanks. What's in the rasgulla?
Mango. Mango? Yes, my own little recipe. It's going to be cold, such a shame. Mango? First time I'm hearing. Oh, it's very textbook, but there's a trick to it. There is? I use mango jelly instead of fresh fruit. Ah, of course.
You're not telling you the original secret. Let them guess.
Lychee extract. Brilliant! Actually, to be honest, I got the recipe from my mother-in-law.
Lunch. Wait, tell me. You came to our house and learned your recipe.
I'd have preferred if it hadn't cost my son 2 teeth.
Oh no.
Hello. What's it actually? Okay. What about on a standard dose? How long have you known this? 2 years and all this time you never recall. Okay, I'll talk to Varma and call you back, okay?
Himandi, join us,
Yes, I'm coming. Hello, Varma. Listen. I've gone the list for 2 years. No credit insurance. Not about an annual report. Symptoms. Parts of you go impaired. You have stability problems. You basically look like a truck. Sorry. Turnover 75 crore rupees. Absolute denial. Listen. If the story spreads, we put out a press release ourselves and we say stuff. Correct? Sorry, I tend to get a bit indecent at times. I didn't have any lunch.
Cow, cow.
So the rasgulla, they are mother's, right?
The recipe is my mother's, but Onu made this one.
Your mother does not use jelly.
Uh-huh.
Poor thing. Has to have an operation. Oh, for what? Her knee.
They are going to insert a rotable prosthesis made of metal and polythene. She is wondering what's going to happen to it after cremation. She doesn't want her ashes to flow into the Ganga, as she's afraid that some Hilsa fish